Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Eden hair extensions that I have been wearing for about a month now. So this is what they look like out of the packaging. I'm going to read off the website what it says. So it says Eden hair extensions are 20-inch in length and made from 100% human remy hair and come in a full head set. So I got the colour, I think it is called 60 Ash Blonde, but I have custom toned them myself with some purple shampoo. When I got them, they're a little bit too yellow for me, so all I did was grab some purple shampoo, shampoo them, and as you can see, they are a perfect match to my hair now. They come in 11 different shades, so I'm sure you'll be able to find a shade that suits your hair. If not, you can colour them as they are human. These are actually 220 grams, which is super thick and super luscious for those with very fine hair like myself. So they come in a 10-piece set, one 8-inch weft, one 7-inch, two 6-inch, two 4-inch, and four 1-inch wefts. This is what one of the wefts looks like. This is a 3 clip weft, so like 2 of these, 2 with 4, 2 with 2, and 4 with 1. They are so soft, and they really lighten your hair, which I think is so important when it comes to hair extensions. Nothing is worse when you have a really thick band with the clips on it and all you can feel is it weighing down your hair. These, I can barely feel that I've got them in, which is so important to find hair extensions that are comfortable in your hair. Because each weft of hair is super fine, it makes it super comfortable to have in your hair. I honestly cannot feel them in my hair. I have curled these and I have straightened these, but it is so important that when you are using heat on these that you do use a heat protectant. It will make them last so much longer. My hair extensions usually last 1 to 2 years, and that is so long, and it's because I look after them and I don't wear them every single day. Even though I have used heat on them twice, they still feel really soft, which I think is a massive bonus when it comes to hair extensions. When I'm putting them in my hair, I can actually get away with not putting them all in, as you can see, my hair is quite fine. I've always had fine hair and it hasn't always been super long, especially since I've been blonde. So I can get away with, you know, leaving a couple of clips out just so it looks more natural and seamless within my hair. So here is what they look like in my hair. This is the whole set in my hair at the moment. As you can see, they blend absolutely perfectly. The only thing I would say to be careful of these extensions if you are purchasing the colour 60 Ash Blonde is if you have to tone them yourself and you have to purple shampoo them, I would say to dilute your purple shampoo or tone it down a little bit, because when I did it, they did grab a little bit in certain spots, and I learned that the hard way by just plopping a lump of purple shampoo into my extensions to spread it out, and it just grabbed in that one spot. So I had to actually shampoo that with normal shampoo back out. That's the only tip I would say with these extensions, is they do grab colour quite quickly. So if you do have to purple shampoo, I would definitely suggest diluting the purple shampoo. Overall, I am so happy with these hair extensions. I have never found a set of extensions so comfortable, so thick, such good quality, and they feel so soft after curling them, straightening them. And the key to keeping them like that is taking good care of them. Always keep them brushed, always keep them in a safe place, using a heat protector when you are using heat tools on them. Do not put heat on them while they're wet. Let them dry naturally if you do wash them. And yeah, your hair extensions will last so much longer. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I hope this helped you guys out a little bit and gave you some info on these hair extensions. If you liked this video, give me a massive thumbs up and I can do more videos like this for you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!